For this project, I researched special effects. Now there's many different types of special effects, like digital effects or visual effects. So special effects are illusions or visual tricks used in theater, film, television, and video games to simulate the imagined events in a story. Today I focused on practical effects in film and television. A practical effect is a special effect produced physically, mainly without computer-generated imagery or other post-production techniques. Special effects are performed by special effects artists, and these people must learn how these effects would happen in real life and translate them into reality. So research skills are vital for a special effects artist. Their work typically begins very early on in the production process when they meet with the director, technical director, and lead designers to discuss the overall production design and address any major concerns. They also coordinate the timeline. A special effects artist might study or train in a number of core fields, including mechanical engineering, carpentry, architecture, drafting, mathematics, and physics. In addition, there's equally large number of complementary subjects which might come in handy, such as sculpture, puppetry, makeup, chemistry, electrical engineering, and even computer science. It's a pretty interesting field, and it was cool learning about two different effects. The first effect I've researched is rain. Now in TV and film, they don't actually use real rain that comes from Mother Nature. Instead, they use these machines called rain machines, and they're simply long hoses with small holes on the top of them, allowing water to drip out. There's a lot of reasons why they use machines, mainly because they can control it, like making the water droplets bigger to appear better on camera. Here are some examples of rain in TV and film, and you can see there's a lot of different types of rain machines. There's some that look like hoses, and some of them look like grids. It just depends on what the production needs. For me, I didn't have access and I didn't have enough time to actually make a rain machine that they would use in TV or film. Instead, I got a ladder and I attached my hose to it, and I turned it to the setting that kind of made it look like rain. The next and final effect I researched was fog. So fog is created by pumping a variety of different glycol and water mixtures into a heat exchanger and then heating it until the fluid vaporizes, creating a thick, translucent, and sometimes opaque cloud. Devices are specifically manufactured for this purpose and referred to as fog machines. Here are some examples I found in TV and film, and fog is kind of the most common and I think easiest effect to produce, because you can just buy a fog machine, then plug it into a wall, put the liquid in, and there you go. Here's the short little film I made that uses the fog and rain effect. Hope you enjoy. Overall, I'm really impressed with what special effects artists can do. They really do make it seem like there's a huge rainstorm or a building's on fire while doing it in a safe and controlled environment. For me at least, I saw that this part of the film industry offers a lot of jobs and opportunities to get onto a film set and practice your craft without having a huge demanding job like a director or a producer or even sometimes the actors, which I think is nice for someone who's just starting out and wants some experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my project.